Hello Facebook and YouTube. This time on how Hugh builds a teardrop trailer on an old a teardrop camper on an old Harbor Freight trailer. I'm going to start working on a little bit of the paneling. So let me see if I can point it inside the trailer. Okay. So I'm going to start putting some of the paneling in on this side where there's no wiring, and then I can build a little wall on the back for the battery compartment and start working on the other side. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do my version of semi-shiplap looking paneling that I've cut down 2x3s to 3/16 inch thick. So I already have some cut down. When I cut down some more, I'll show you that on the table saw. But for now, let's nail some in place and see what this looks like. Okay. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a spacer down at the bottom, and I'm going to use some of the end pieces that were cut off when I was trimming up the 2x3s when I was cutting them down. So that'll take up the height of a 2x4. And I'll just put those in place. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to tack in these pieces. I'll square them up on one end, and since they'll be 1 inch long, I'll cut them all at the same time on the other end. So let's tack those into place. And we'll tack them right on every place I can hit a board. Okay, that's what it's looking like part way up. See if I can zoom in on it. It's not perfect, but it's not terrible either. When I get to the window, I'll have to get a little bit more creative, and because I want to cut some to fit the shape of the window so that it slides in easily. So I'll film when I get to there. Okay, since I'm working on an angle here, it's time for me to put the one of the supporting studs across. I'm going to use little brackets and some wood screws to help hold it in place. So let's see how that goes. Need at least a 3.5 inch screw if I want to go from the outside and put another screw in there. It'd be a 3.5 inch screw. So let me see what I got. Okay, I don't have anything that long, so I'm gonna have to pick some up tomorrow. But that's not a critical thing, but I will be putting long screws in. So I'll probably pick up some 4 inch wood kind of screws to fit in there. And then that'll go on all the brackets, including the brackets. So let me go make myself a note. Okay, I'm pulling out the 2 temporary ones, and I put in 2 permanent ones, one on each end, one of these cross pieces. And I have little brackets on there now. I changed the screws to the 1 5/8 inch screws that I like better. But I will get some 4-inch long screws, drill a hole, and screw from the outside into these on all of them going across the top. But for right now, I'm just pulling these ones off. And do yourself a favor, whenever you pull anything like this, if there's nails in it, remove the nails right away, because those will scratch the hell out of you, or they'll rip something, or they'll poke into something. There'll be destruction, so pound them out of here and we'll pull them out of here. Okay, so I'm fitting around the window, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit it as best I can, and then I'll draw it on the on this side, and then I'll just cut it while it's in place. And a really long jigsaw blade or something like that. I'll figure out how I want to cut it, and so I'll cut it so it has the arcs on the side, and so the window will fit properly. I'm feeling pretty secure, actually. Okay, and you can see the siding, so I can put up a couple more pieces, and then I'll have to cut some more. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so a slight change of plans. I didn't like the way that those boards were looking up there. So I'm going to cut full-length boards and put them in, and then cut the window from the other side with a long jigsaw blade. I think that's how I'm going to do it, and see how that works out. See if I can get a better cut on it that way, and see if I can get them to lay more square. I wasn't liking the way it was turning out. It looked real crappy. So, and I'd also forgotten that I need to put cross members across. I know I'm pointing at something and I'm not showing the camera. I need to put more of these across before I get to the top, because then I won't be able to get them on there. Okay, so in the morning, sometime I'll cut some more 2x3s into 3/16 inch strips. See if I can't do a better job of paneling the inside. Okay, I think that really is it for now. I cleaned up the garage. I think I am done for now. Out.